Phrase 1. Rock the boat. Meaning. 1. Lit. To do something to move a boat from side to side, causing it to rock. Example. Look, Tom, everything is going fine here. Don't rock the boat. You can depend on Tom to mess things up by rocking the boat. Sit down and stop rocking the boat. You'll turn it over. 2. Fig, to cause trouble where none is welcome, to disturb a situation that is otherwise stable and satisfactory. Phrase 2. All's well that ends well. Meaning. Cliché, an event that has a good ending is good even if some things went wrong along the way. Example. I'm glad you finally got here, even though your car had a flat tire on the way. Oh, well. All's well that ends well. The groom was late for the wedding, but everything worked out all right. All's well that ends well. Phrase 3. Trouble someone about someone or something. Meaning. To bother someone by asking about someone or something. Example. Can I trouble you about a billing problem? Please don't trouble me about Larry. Phrase 4. Everything will be just fine. Meaning. Do not worry, everything will be okay. Example. Don't worry, Fred, comforted Bill. Everything will be all right. Mary, I just don't know if I can go on. Bob, now. Everything will be just fine. Phrase 5. Access to someone or something. Meaning. Permission to approach someone or something. The right to use someone or something. Example. Can you get access to a computer? Phrase 6. It isn't worth the trouble. Meaning. Don't bother. It isn't worth it. Example. Jane, do you want me to try to save this little bit of cake? John, oh, no. It's not worth the trouble. I'll just eat it. Tom, shall I wrap all this stuff back up? Mary, no. It's not worth the trouble. Just stuff it in a paper bag. Phrase 7. I can't top that. Meaning. I cannot do better than that. I cannot exceed that. Example. Henry, that was really great. I can't beat that. Rachel, yes, that was really good. What a great joke. I can't top that, said Kate, still laughing. Phrase 8. The point of no return. Meaning. The halfway point. The point at which it is too late to turn back. Example. The F-light was past the point of no return, so we had to continue to our destination. The entire project is past the point of no return, we will have to continue with it. Phrase 9. Flow with something. Meaning. To have some liquid coursing on the surface or within someone or something. Example. Her veins must flow with ice water. She is so cold. The sewers were flowing with the floodwaters. Phrase 10. Catch the next wave. Meaning. To follow the next fad. Example. He has no purpose in life. He sits around strumming his guitar and waiting to catch the next wave.